Greetings everyone. This is Professor Amrit Shubhadarshi from Karnavati University United World School of Law. I specialize in competition laws and digital markets, and I have an extensive publication record comprising of law, business and technology. It's indeed a wonderful pleasure for me to be able to speak at the upcoming FDP on the topic of role of educators to promote and inspire entrepreneurship. If you look at the present Indian economy, it comprises of a wide array of sectors like artificial intelligence, blockchain, Internet of Things, to name a few. Innumerable startups have come up, and it is fundamental for our educators to be able to promote understanding among students regarding the different facets of entrepreneurship and their interdisciplinary approaches. Therefore, I shall be speaking on the role of entrepreneurs, how can students imbibe practical aspects and interdisciplinary approaches in their entrepreneurship.